Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AIVIVE token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AIVIVE is an AI image generation and creator platform built around the AVV token on Solana. The project provides tools for users to create, remix and share AI generated images through a creator focused interface. The platform includes an AI image feed, creation studio, remix features, create profiles, wallet functions, and burn dashboard. Users can purchase AI image generate credits, and a portion of platform revenue may be directed into AVV buyback and burn activity through an on-chain mechanism. AVV is an Solana SPL token designed to support the AIVV ecosystem, including creator incentives, community program platform access, and token-based economic functions. The project aims to connect AI content creation platform users and token utility within a Web3 based creator economy. AIVV token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is also 10 billion AVV token. AVV token is listed on Bitget, MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.